Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's that time of the month. This is May's Boxycharm unboxing. Okay, I will say one thing, I did throw away all of the packing that was in here. I feel like last month they must have had a lot of like people complaining that there wasn't enough protection in the box. And this month they just loaded up on the little packaging snakes, paper snakes, whatever inside here. So I threw all that out so I wouldn't have a huge mess. Let's carry on. So now this would normally be like Boxy Luxe, but since, you know, IPSY took over, it's considered the icon box. So this is the icon box, formerly known as the Boxy Luxe. Here's your little newsletter. This is not quite so little. There you go. Now, Anastasia was the first icon box creator. So she curated the box. So what items she wanted to put in the box. So items that, you know, she pretty much chose. So bear with me. Here you go. Second page. You can see the items. Those are some of the future items that were in the box. Of course, not everybody got everything, just a mixture and here's some more. Oh, there we go. We also got this. So it's pretty much a little about, you know, wearing SPF. Okay. I also have Boxy refreshments. I just don't really talk about it because it's not all that exciting. Now with Boxy refreshments, you can either get the like makeup wipes, some like body lotion, I forgot what else, razors, and any which case. So I get the razor refills because I already have the razor itself. So, you know, not all that exciting. So and you're able to curate it where you get it like once a month, twice a month, or once every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. There you go. So I have it where it's set that I get these refills once every 3 months. And they give you, I think, 4 or 5 razor heads. I think it's 4. Yeah, I think it's 4. I think you get like 4 razor heads. But in which case, I'm going to be real with you. For me, as a busy mom, shaving is a luxury. So getting only 4 razor heads once every 3 months, that's kind of all I really need. So I only really shave my legs when I really have to. I'm just like, okay, it's getting out of hand. But in which case, and I pay what, $10 for it, so I ain't mad at it. Especially how expensive razors go in the store. Yeah. So we're gonna go with my choice items. So for starters, I'm like super excited because I'm like really getting into fragrances, if you don't know. So this was one of the choices, which was a fragrance. This is by Milk. It's not by Milk, it's by the brand Philosophy, and it's in the scent Milk. Now, what commodity? I kind of been doing a little bit of research on them. So they pretty much have where like every one of their scents, there's like different levels of intensity. So you get personal, which is like the scent is kind of light and it's just for you, so kind of just in your scent bubble, and whoever's in your scent bubble can smell it. And then you get expressive, which is like you're able to smell it and the people around you are kind of able to smell it, but it's not offensive. And then you got bold, which is like, you know, kind of self-explanatory, which is like really out there, where if you walk into a room, people are gonna smell you the minute you walk in. Like, it's just that projecting. So in which case, this is in the expressive, so it's kind of like, you know, right in between. And the scent is, like I said, milk. Now this is so cute. It's a little 1 ounce bottle. Now this is a unisex scent, and I must say, when I sprayed it on myself and then when I sprayed it on my husband, it was like, I'm gonna see if I could put the fragrance notes somewhere on the screen. I'll have my husband do it. And it's, to me, it comes off very woody. Like I smell that woody note. But when I spray it on my husband, it mixes with his chemistry and it smells more sweet. Like you smell more of that marshmallow note. You know, there is a marshmallow note, there is a wood note in here, but it's just interesting how when it mixes with my chemistry, I get more woody, and he gets, to my nose, when I smell him, I smell more marshmallow and sweet. I kind of wish I got, you know, it was vice versa. I love to smell sweet, but I would say definitely is a masculine scent. This actually reminds me, again, I never owned the bottle. I've only ever had like little testers of the By the Fireplace from Replica. Like, I'm not saying it's a dupe at all, but it feels like it's in the same scent family. Like I get that toastiness, that definitely a fall winter scent for sure. So that's that. Again, I'll look through my app when I have all the prices put on the screen. I will be having the prices on the screen again because now I know how to get the price for everything. I just go sign into the IPSY app and it tells you like a little information about each product and the prices, which is nice. So you will see the prices on here again, as you can already see, in which case. Moving on. The next item I got is the concealer. I chose this. I didn't get to choose my shade. I kind of wish they kind of kept that feature where you got to choose your item and the shade you wanted, but now they kind of picked the shades for you. So I mean, I thought initially this was going to be too light. Again, this is in the shade 4, if I didn't mention. I thought it was going to be too light, but honestly, it kind of worked out perfectly. So, you know, I could definitely make it work. So as you can see, it looks very, very stark white, but I could just use the smallest amount. And when I keep it on my hand, maybe you'll see, I'm going to keep it on in the video a little bit. It starts to oxidize, so it does get a little bit darker. So I can definitely work with it. And if it's still too light for, you know, now that the summertime is coming, I normally do get a little darker, I can definitely use this in the winter because, let's face it, in the winter, I'm like Casper's cousin. I am pasty, I am white. So it will get used. So the Anastasia concealer was my next choice. And then, let me see, what else did I pick? I don't know if I chose this item or the next item. Oh, no, wait. I definitely chose this one. Okay. This is the Anastasia Cream Bronzer. Again, I didn't get to pick my shade, but this would have been a shade I would have picked anyway. This is in the shade Amber. And this came out last summer, but I didn't get my hands on it. And I'm kind of glad I waited out because I got it in the box. Let me just take out the packaging. So there it is right here. I'm sorry if you hear my kids in the background. They're being very, very loud. But I'm excited to give this a try. Now, this is definitely very, very warm tone. And I feel like it leans like kind of yellowish a little bit. So we'll see. If anything, I'll probably layer like a bronzer powder over it if it's just like kind of too yellowish for me. But we'll see. I am excited to give this a try. Then, okay, I can't remember what other items I chose in this box, so I'm just going to show you the other items as I go. I'm happy to say I have another JLo Beauty item. Yes. So last Boxy, I got the eye cream, and now I have the moisturizer, which I found out there are 2 moisturizers. So there's this one, which is regular moisturizer, and they have, I'm sorry, my camera cut off. So I was saying, They have two different moisturizers. So they have this one and they have another one that has SPF. I kind of really want the SPF one. I feel like the SPF one should have been in this box since summer's right around the corner. And it would be helpful to have a product with SPF in it. But again, I ain't mad at it. I'm happy I have another item to add to my collection. I'm sorry, my kids are being super, super loud. But that is, you know, that's my life. So I don't know if you can see how it's looking a little bit darker now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Maybe just my mind playing tricks on me. But to me, it looks like it oxidized and it got a little bit darker. But we're going to still leave that swatch. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. After some more time has passed. So we also have the Glow Recipe. Again, I love Glow Recipe skincare. This is the Guava and Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So here's the product right here. Very, very cute. Again, I love Glow Recipe. Love to have it in my collection. And skincare is pricey, so when you get it in a box, I'm so happy. Then we got this, which is by Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. It says for all skin types. It says hyaluronic acid, ceramides, also hydration. Da, da, da. I mean, I'm just reading this because I've never heard of the brand. So, but it is a moisturizer. Don't know if it's for day or for night. It says for twice a day, so I'm assuming this is a day and nighttime moisturizer. Okay. And then we have the another Anastasia product. This is the brow definer. So this has more of like this triangle tip. This is in the shade dark brown. Again, it'll fit me. My hair is actually very, very dark, so this will definitely fit me. And the other side, you know, you got a spoolie. Okay. Now, I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick. Now, can we just take a moment and appreciate this packaging? Look at how luxe and bougie this looks. Like, I love this rose gold moment. This is so pretty. The shade I got is Praline, which I feel like this kind of lip color could go like a brown lip liner, a pinky lip liner. Like, it's one of those lip colors I feel like it will look great on anyone, and it is so pretty. I feel like this can easily go with like a bold look, a neutral look. Like, I just feel like this is a very, very pretty lip color. So I'm excited to have this. And the last product was the Beauty Boost item, which was the Ole Henriksen. This is the new Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This only came out, I think, a couple of months ago. And this is like all the rage right now, especially since I feel like I heard Tati Westbrook rave about this, saying that she loves this and she can't live without it. She can't live without it. So this has got me like super excited to add this into my rotation. So once I'm like, I literally have everything written down in all my skincare. So once I finish a product off, I go to my list and I just pull out like the next product and I just cross it off my list, and I kind of go through like that. So that way I don't keep too much products for too long, so they're not sitting past its shelf life. So, because, you know, I don't want to put expired products on my skin. Like, we worked too hard to get to this point. Anyways, dude, that's my baby. It's my 4-year-old. And this is why it's so hard to try to find time to film, because if I'm not in an appointment or doing things, it's like, when do you find the time? In which case, so that was the Beauty Boost item. I'm so excited to have that. So excited. And then when you're done shopping, they kind of send you to a page where it's like where you get to do your own like add to your box type thing. And they have many different products from like skincare to hair care to makeup to tools, and any which case. So for whatever reason, like I said, I'm really into fragrance right now. So I went straight to the fragrances and I saw this. This is by Skylar. This is the Vanilla Sky. This is the Rollerball. I wish Skylar did like a mini spray, but they don't. In which case, without that being, I am so happy to have this. I snagged this for 12 bucks. The original price is like 30 for this size in Sephora. So I'm just, oh, and it's just all that beautiful vanilla scent. This is something you can easily throw in your purse or whatever. Just kind of rub over here on your pulse points, you know, on the elbow, just little zhuzh, and it's, oh, it just smells, it smells so good. But I just feel like it's vanilla. You can't go wrong with vanilla. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I must say, I love this box way better than the last box. I feel like they're stepping their game up, as they should. Any which case, let's look at that swatch one more time with the concealer. Come on, I feel like you can see it got a little bit darker. Let me know in the comments if you see it, or I'm just bugging. In which case, with that being said, please have a good one. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Again, I'm going to do another body care video. I'm just waiting for the semi-annual sale. And once I pick up like a ton of products, I'm going to do like a haul of everything I picked up. And then I'm going to do another video showing you like all my body washes, my scrubs, my moisturizers, my body oils, and then I'll do another video of just my perfumes. So stay tuned. I'm getting really, really excited because I feel like I want to do more content on my channel. And this is also other things I'm passionate about. Like I'm really into like really smelling good and feeling good. So this is me pampering myself. And when I do so, I feel like a new woman. And with that being said, again, have a good one and bye.